Unions are furious after General Motors replaces 1,000 workers with 50 robots. At GM's flagship Detroit plant, more than 1,000 workers were idled as 50 robots arrived, which the UAW says shows that automation is displacing people. The robots in question, known as cobots, short for collaborative robots, have been installed on the assembly line at Factory Zero, the Detroit Hamtramck EV plant where GM builds its electric trucks. At Factory Zero, the cobots are now bolting body panels onto vehicles as they move down the assembly line, working alongside the people who haven't been laid off, as per Autoblog. The company insists the machines are not replacing workers, but are instead helping the plant stay competitive while improving safety and ergonomics for the remaining workers. We've been installing cobots across our manufacturing footprint as part of a broader push to bring more advanced technology into our operations, company spokesman Kevin Kelly explained to Crane's Detroit business. At Factory Zero, we are implementing them alongside our team, helping improve safety and ergonomics, while keeping our operations flexible and competitive, he added. The laid-off workers are only temporarily idled, according to the company, but GM has yet to provide a timeline for their return. United Auto Workers, Local 22 President James Cotton isn't buying any of it. To him, the cobots are about one thing: taking away jobs from union members. The bigger trend of declining labor needs in the auto industry isn't subtle. The number of labor hours required to build a single car has dropped substantially since the 1980s due to automation and efficiency gains, per industry reports. The union secured historic gains in its 2023 contract and is expected to push hard for stronger job protections in its 2028 negotiations. Cotton has another problem with the cobots, even beyond the layoffs. The union representative doesn't buy GM's claim that the machines make things safer. Robots working right next to humans, he argues, raise their own safety questions. The union has already filed grievances against the company over them. Demand has been slowing, largely because of high costs, if the American Automobile Association is anything to go by. The company has paused production at Factory Zero more than once over the past year as a result. UAW President Shawn Fain framed the wider stakes in more forceful terms during his speech at the UAW's Quadrennial Constitutional Convention in Detroit in mid-June 2026. The fruits of our labor have multiplied like never before, but workers aren't reaping the harvest, Fain said. And if AI continues to be used as an accessory to that crime, it has to be stopped. It doesn't have to be this way. In a just society, when workers create more value, they see more of the benefit, he added. The numbers behind the layoffs make the union's frustrations harder to swallow, as the company posted $4.25 billion in profits for the first quarter of 2026.